Electrocoagulation technique for the treatment of effluents from metal working fluid. Using mild steel, electrocoagulation is a successful method for treating metal working fluid MWF industrial effluent. The goal of the current study is to determine how electrolysis time, applied charge density, and electrolyte pH affect the effectiveness of electrocoagulation in treating MWF effluent. According to the current experimental findings, electrocoagulation is an excellent method for treating wastewater. The electrolysis time of 55 to 60 minutes for a current density of 33 amperes per cubic decimeter and pH 7 at a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius, effective treatment of the effluent was observed. It was found that the highest COD and color removals were 95% and 98%, respectively. Several adsorption isotherms were used to describe the electrocoagulation process, and it was shown that the predictions of the Langmuir isotherm models agree well with the experimental findings. Langmuir isotherm models are square greater than 0.99 provided a better fit than Freundlich models for the electrocoagulation process. Introduction. Industries like metal finishing and electroplating use a lot of water and produce oily, polluted wastewater known as metalworking fluids MWFs, which are harmful to the environment. These waste fluids are tough to clean because they contain many complex chemicals and don't break down easily. Traditional treatment methods like chemical mixing, filtration, and biological processes have limitations. Either they're expensive, create more waste, or are ineffective. Recently, electrocoagulation, a method that uses electricity and metal electrodes to clean water, has shown promise. It reduces pollution, creates less waste, and is easier to operate. In this process, mild steel electrodes release safe iron particles that help trap and remove harmful substances from the wastewater. This study explores how well this method works on MWFs and analyzes how pollutants stick to these particles using scientific models. The goal is to find a more effective way to treat industrial wastewater and protect water sources. Conclusion. One remediation technique that shows promise for treating industrial MWFs is electrocoagulation. The ability to remove COD as adsorbed to or coprecipitates with coagulant produced from the electrode was demonstrated by experiments. The elimination of arsenic was significantly improved by increasing the current density from 1 to 3 amperes per square decimeter. However, there was no discernible improvement at the current density of 3 amperes per square decimeter. In the current study, over 95% of COD elimination has been documented. Adsorption isotherm models were used to represent the electrocoagulation process, and the Langmuir isotherm model was found to be in satisfactory agreement with the experimental findings. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.